Cornwall. West Cornwall is well endowed with historic sites. Many under the stewardships of English heritage, historic houses or national trusts. It is a land of beauty, drama and history with top surfing spots, sandy beaches, fabulous gardens, and miles upon miles of cliff-top walks. The island is a civil parish and is linked to the towns of Marazion by a causeway of granite sets, passable between mid-tide and low water. Marazion is historic chartered town. Marazion today is a lively place with safe, sandy beaches lapped by the clear waters of Mount Bay. Look at the face. Wow. It has an active community and plenty of cafes and pubs, as well as a local store and art galleries. Marazion is linked to the St. Michael's Mount by a man-made causeway only passable at low tide. Hello, good morning everybody. Hey, look at the view behind me. Hi. It's beautiful beach. Woo! Over there, it's a castor. Did you see that? Castor.
Actually, we don't need to walk here. We can walk.
Yeah, going back, we can walk here. Hi, hello, good morning. How is your day?
It's good.
It's good.
This is called Saint Mount.
Okay,
We are waiting to cross to the castle.
castor, but do they
Yeah,
wait?
today the weather is not good, so
Đang tiện mà vâng, em đặt một mặt. But got strong people, we got old.
Oh, you're sharing.
Yeah, we cannot finish all alone.
Okay,
This is too
I
much.
would.
Yeah.
That's nothing. Like tiny
Yeah.
bits. I'll get you some more.
Thank you.
Can you take one picture?
You can visit Marazion's beach, swim the mount at any stage of the tide, and admire the views of St. Michael's Mounts standing out to sea. But you cannot actually go to the islands for free. To enter the island, you need a ticket which you can purchase online with around £14 for adults. St. Michael's Mount is open from 9:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. Sunday to Friday, each week from 1st April until 31st of October.
Gosh!
The main castle is around 15 minutes to walk across the causeway from the first entrance checkpoint, which is at the base of the island. Even if you don't manage to buy a ticket to enter the castles, it is worth going just for the spectacular views.
Wow. On top of the coaster. We did well. Look at the view here. Let's go. Wow. Look at the landscape.
The National Trust has owned most of the islands and the causeway since 1954. As a result of a gift by Saint Alban family, who have lived in the castle since the 1650s and still do so today. In 2003, James and Mary St. Alban moved to the castles with their 4 children. Then, in their 10, became Lord and Lady St. Leven in 2013 and still live on the islands today. Twelve families live permanently on the island and all have a role to play in its upkeep, such as running the boats or tending the gardens. Because of its historical heritage and interest, the castle is open to the public most days. But on Sunday, the castle and access to the mounts are restricted to give the family and the villagers who live along the mounts harbor 1 day a week to enjoy their home in private, which is a fair request.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I'm not falling, I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going life. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. Back a year ago.
So that is the end of my travel diary, and if you enjoy my video, please don't forget to click like. If you have any further questions, please let me know in the comment sections below. If you would like to see more of my video, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching my video, and hope to see you next time. Have a nice day. Bye. Thanks.
Hey, say goodbye.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic, believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.